Welcome to another lecture of information theory. Today we will discuss about classification of information sources. So information sources can be classified into two types, one with having memory and memoryless information source. So information source having memory, it can be defined like this. A source with memory is one for which current symbol depends upon previous symbol. That means current symbol, it depends upon the previous symbol. We have already discussed that output of this elements of source alphabet are called as symbols. So a memoryless source is one for which each symbol produced is independent of the previous symbol. That means current symbol, it does not depend upon the previous symbols in case of memoryless information source, whereas in case of information source having memory, current symbol depends upon the previous symbols. So another topic which we will discuss is information content of a discrete memoryless source. The amount of information contained in an event is closely related to uncertainty. That means if uncertainty will increase, information will be more. If uncertainty associated with an event is very less, that means you are more certain about the event, then it contains very less information. That means information is directly proportional to uncertainty. As uncertainty increase, information increase. So messages containing knowledge of high probability of occurrence convey relatively little information. That means if you have already knowledge about occurrence of a certain event, then it conveys little information. Whereas in case if the knowledge of probability of occurrence will be less, then it conveys more information. Thus, if an event is certain, that means event occurs with probability 1, it contains zero information because you're already certain about the event, so it contains very less information. Thus, mathematical measure of an information should be a function of probability of the outcome and should satisfy the following axioms. First one, information should be proportional to the uncertainty of an outcome. Second one, information contained in an independent outcome should add. That means if there are certain independent outcomes, then information contained in these outcomes should simply add up. Thank you.